This podcast is a free sample course segment from True Solutions Incorporated, global leader in the delivery of full lifecycle project management services and products. Learn more at truesolutions.com or by calling 866-770-0903.
Very early in the life of a project, it is critical to identify all of the organizations and people who may have an impact on the project, and all those who may be impacted by the project. Those people are the project stakeholders. A stakeholder is any person or organization that is actively involved in the project or whose interests may be affected positively or negatively by execution of a project. Stakeholders can be internal to the organization or external. In many projects, the public at large will become a stakeholder to be considered on the project. The project manager must document relevant information for all identified stakeholders. This information may include the stakeholders' interests, involvement, expectations, importance, influence, and impact on the project's execution, as well as any specific communications requirements that may be required. It's important to note that although some identified stakeholders may not actually require any communications, those stakeholders should be identified.
Identify stakeholders is an initiating process. Identify stakeholders identifies all persons and/or organizations impacted by a project and documents their interests, involvement, and impact on the project. There are 4 defined inputs: project charter, procurement documents, enterprise environmental factors, and organizational process assets. There are 2 defined tool and techniques: stakeholder analysis and expert judgment. Thanks for your interest in previewing this free podcast sample course segment. TSI is the global leader in the delivery of full lifecycle project management services and products. Learn more at truesolutions.com or by calling 866-770-0903.